Hello guys, in this video let us see two questions from exercise 8.3 chapter 8 trigonometry. First question is the seventh subdivision of fourth question. The question is prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Let us take LHS first. LHS is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Let us take sin theta as common. Sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, from this we will take cos theta as common. Cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Then we can also write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. By the identity sin square theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By rearranging the terms, we will get sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So by substituting, we can continue the answer. Divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta into 1 minus, multiplying 2 inside, 2 minus into minus is plus 2 cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta into 2 cos square theta minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cancelling them out, we get tan theta, which is our RHS. Hence proved. So, now coming to 8th subdivision of 4th question. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. We will take LHS first. Sin A plus cosecant A the whole square plus cos A plus secant A the whole square. We know the formula A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square is equal plus 2AB. Substituting that, sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. We know sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Plus, we also know that sin A into cosecant A is 1. Because cosecant A is 1 by sin A. Sin A into 1 by sin A we get as 1. So this is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Similarly, cos A into secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. So cos A into 1 by cos A is 1. So this is 2 into 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5 plus we can write cosecant square A as 1 plus cot square A by the identity. Similarly, secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, which is our RHS. Hence proved. We have to keep the identities in our fingertips. Cosecant square is 1 plus cot square A and secant square is 1 plus tan square A. Thank you. you.